To redeem an Old Navy gift card online, start by visiting the Old Navy website and browsing through the available products. Once you have selected the items you want to purchase, proceed to the checkout page. Click on the checkout button and sign in to your Old Navy account or create a new one if you do not have an existing account. Enter your shipping and billing information. Then click on the payment options. Select the gift card option and enter the gift card number and PIN, which can be found on the back of the card. If your gift card does not have a PIN, you may need to contact Old Navy customer service for assistance. After entering the gift card information, click Apply to add the gift card balance to your order. If the gift card balance covers the entire cost of the order, you can complete the checkout process. If the gift card balance does not cover the entire cost, you will need to add a secondary payment method to cover the remaining balance. Review your order to ensure everything is correct. Then click the Place Order button to complete the purchase. It is essential to note that Old Navy gift cards can only be redeemed on the Old Navy website or in Old Navy stores. They cannot be redeemed at other Gap Inc. brands or at other retail stores. Additionally, Old Navy gift cards do not expire, and there are no fees associated with using them. However, it is crucial to keep your gift cards safe and secure to avoid losing the balance. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily redeem your Old Navy gift card online and enjoy your purchase. Remember to always check the balance of your gift card before making a purchase. And contact Old Navy customer service if you have any issues or concerns.